Here at Harford County Oral Maxillofacial and Implant Surgery, we have several solutions to help you with your new smile. To replace missing teeth, a full set of missing teeth, upper and lower missing teeth, there of course are the conventional dentures. With missing teeth, over time, the bone tends to resorb. Dentures will replace missing teeth in a way that is cosmetic, but not very functional. Over time, the dentures don't fit, they move around, they hurt. Dentures actually cause additional bone loss. Bone loss to the point where you won't be able to wear dentures over a fixed period of time, after a period of time. We have dentures over implants. That is a little bit better. Snap-on over dentures. Those are dentures held in place, placing 1 or 2 dental implants in each arch, connecting the dental implants to the denture. That is a better solution because it works cosmetically and you're not going to have your dentures fall out when you're laughing at a party. But if you are not a fan of putting your teeth in a jar at night, then the best solution is an implant-supported fixed hybrid denture. A solution is all on X. You place a number of implants in the upper or lower or both jaws and place a fixed hybrid denture attached to those implants very shortly after the implants are placed. Usually within 1 to 3 days afterwards, and you have a set of teeth that you can eat on right away. We can place teeth immediately after placing multiple implants in your upper or lower jaw, just as if you've had your own natural teeth. At this practice, Harford County Oral Surgery, we have multiple ways to place implants, and our goal is to make anyone that comes in here to make them a candidate. So if someone has told you that you're not a candidate, come and see me at Hartford County Oral Surgery and we'll fix that for you. Because of extra training I've received, I can place dental implants in a way other providers don't have the training or experience to do. A simple water pick will help maintain the areas around your implants clean. You're seen in this office once a year to remove the hybrid, clean anything you didn't miss that you might have missed, and then resecure it to make sure the implants are doing well. If you're missing multiple teeth or have multiple areas of tooth decay, come here to Harford County Oral Maxillofacial and Implant Surgery and see myself, Dr. James, and we will find a solution.